So what's going on, guys? It's Brian Wise with B Wise Realty out of the Empire Realty Group office in Fairport, and today I have the pleasure of sitting with Brittany Linder, the mortgage lender with Cross Country Mortgage.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. So how's everything going today?
It's been great. It's been picking up. It's busy. Spring market is definitely here.
Yes, it is. Yes,
for
it
sure.
is. Very good. So tell me a little bit about you and a little bit about Cross Country.
So about me, I've been lending now for about 5 years.
Okay.
I got into the banking industry almost 10 years ago now, and I just love it. I love numbers. I like that kind of thing. Cross Country got here in Rochester about 1.5 years ago, and we're here on South Clinton Ave, and it's been great.
They have a beautiful office over
It's
here.
really
It
pretty,
really is nice. Yeah,
Yep.
we'll show you a little bit about that here. Very cool. What do you like about this company specifically? What are some of the things that keeps you here engaged? Because you have an awesome energy about you.
Yeah.
And you obviously are passionate about what you do.
I love it. Specifically about this company is our team is phenomenal. I mean, if you need something, you've got it yesterday. They are just fast. You just can't get that everywhere. So to have a good team on your side is everything. The amount of products that we have is insane. If you need it, we probably have it. I mean, pending it's allowed to happen in New York State, of course.
Right.
But yeah, it's definitely a great company to work for.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. So now, if there was a couple of things that you would say make this place stand out above others, what would those be?
I think we've got two major ones right now. One is definitely our cash guarantee.
Okay.
Most places you need 20%.
Okay.
We're willing to do it for 5% down.
No kidding.
You need a 700 credit score. We will cap your debt to income ratio at 45%. And we're looking for about a 10% earnest money deposit.
Okay.
But most places you need 20, 10%. A lot of people can't afford that. So
that's a big difference right there.
You
Very
need
nice.
it to compete in this market. It's only Rochester, you guys. Only Rochester is like this with the cash guarantee.
We're like one of the hottest markets in the country right now. It really is insane. And that's really cool to hear because, you know, when we're writing offers on properties and there's 15 to 22 competing offers, we're seeing an explosion in those cash guarantees. So it's really good that you guys have flexibility to allow people to get into that program because it's a very competitive market out there. And a cash guarantee, we just lost the deal. We were neck and neck, almost everything down to the, you know, the pennies on the dollar, but they chose the cash guarantee because the seller just had that security in the program. You know?
And this one allows most people that wouldn't qualify at other places to kind of get their foot in the door. That's a lot of first-time home buyers that are able to take advantage of it too.
Absolutely. That's huge right there.
Can I mention one other one?
Absolutely. Yeah. Talk to me.
So we do also have a renovation loan.
Okay.
And the nice thing about our renovation loan is it doesn't have to be like a contractor that the bank has worked with. It can be that you choose a family member to come and help with the work.
No kidding.
As long as they're insured. And then also it can be a small amount, like $5,000. So it doesn't have to be you're redoing the entire house.
Okay.
It can be something small that you want to renovate, and you can roll that into your loan.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a really awesome
So just
product.
for layman terms, just so I understand that correctly. So let's say we're looking at a house and the kitchen is super outdated, the windows definitely need to be replaced, and the sellers don't want to do that.
Yep.
So you're saying that a homeowner can wrap up those renovations right in their mortgage.
Yes.
Meaning they don't pay for that out of pocket, they pay through it monthly through their mortgage.
Exactly.
That's pretty
And I mean, if you think about it, say your mortgage rate right now, they're around, 7-8%, depending on your credit score. If you were to go get a renovation loan or a personal loan, I mean, you're talking 13-14%. So it's a lot cheaper.
So to be able to bundle that under that mortgage rate is huge.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. And so what's like the timeline that you guys work with the contractors? Is it on a draw?
So I will double check on that for you.
Okay.
I think it depends on the contractor and how much you're doing. So if it's a small amount, we'll just give that to you.
Okay.
And they will go and do the renovations before you close.
Okay.
So I would say for those, you wouldn't want to push a 45-day close. I would maybe go 60, depending on how much work the home needs, right?
Yeah.
How quickly they can get it done.
The cool thing is the idea of getting that work done before you close is, I mean, that just sweetens the deal because then you're moving into your house the way that you want it to. That's pretty awesome.
Or move all your stuff around to get everything done, and then you're without a kitchen
exactly. Very cool. So now, have you written a few of those? I mean, is this a popular thing?
I haven't yet. Majula is doing, I believe, one right now. Or he's been looking into it, and so as soon as he started diving into it, he's like, you guys got to know about this, come read about this, and I was like, holy crap, nobody's doing that.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's an exciting opportunity that I don't think enough people like understand as an option for them.
Well, I think people get nervous too, right? Doing renovation is a big, scary thing for most people.
Sure.
So this kind of makes it a little bit easier.
I think so. And I mean, the fact that you can do it all in one shot is huge,
Yeah.
you know, and especially getting that locked into the rate that they're getting for the house itself is pretty awesome.
It is. And I mean, you see all the houses that sit, maybe they're past delayed negotiations, people are walking through them and they're like, God, I don't want to deal with any of that.
Sure.
Now you potentially can. You just have to have an eye for it.
Yeah.
You
And
know?
I think that's really cool. And for the realtors out there watching, like this is something that we should be kind of priming our clients with on these showings, you know, talking to them about the things. Just because somebody comes through a house and sees something that they're not thrilled about doesn't mean that cancels out the house.
Right.
And with a program like this, you can really work around those, you know, aesthetic issues
Yeah.
or, you know, maintenance things
Absolutely.
that need to get done.
And we can even do like a normal pre-approval.
Okay.
So if you give me an address and you're like, okay, we're going to see this. Here's your normal pre-approval. Here's what you could go up to for your renovation pre-approval as well.
Oh,
So that way
cool.
you
So
have an
they can
idea
kind
of both.
like when they walk into a property, they have an idea of what this would look like and what that would
Exactly.
look like. Very cool.